So, you've got a violin and you've got to tune it yourself. Here we go. So there's different ways. You can use an app that's on the phone, and when you have one of these apps like this, as you play a note, it'll go back and forth and show you what pitch it is. All right, so if I play an E, this probably isn't even an E, it'll show me what note it is, and it'll go back and forth based on high and low. So that was definitely not the right note. Now, another kind of tuner we've got, the old-fashioned kind. This is the kind of tuner that you go like, you hit it on something, and then you put it on the violin or on your ear. And it'll give you the sound of an A. Okay, that's the other kind. Or there's these really lovely little easy kinds that you turn on and you attach to the violin like this, or something like this. There we go. There. And that tells us what note we're playing. So I can just pluck it. So I got that pretty close to an A. Then I come down here to the fine tuner. And I turn it clockwise to bring the pitch up, because that presses on this and here, it pulls on the string and it brings the pitch up. So there's our A. Now let's check our E. Okay, so we're way too high. We come this way to bring it down. Now, if I just let go of it, it'll just loosen up, because this isn't a screw. This is the thick end, this is the skinny end. So I've got to twist and push it in. And get it close enough. Then I come to the fine tuner, and I went that way to bring it down. And the reason I went that direction is because it was giving me signals that it was too high, so I brought it back into the green zone. Okay, now we go to D string. Whoa, that one's way out. So it only shows an E, so I'm going to twist and turn. So the whole time I did that, I was adjusting it. I was making sure I wasn't going too far, making some noise so that I'm not ending up in the wrong range. Now I did that with the main peg. Most people would have to use the little one. Let's try the G. Let's do this one now. Okay, it's way too high. It's a B. Okay, now I go to the fine tuner. And it's staying in tune. So we go back across. Nope, that one's gone out of tune. And I fix it. Now it's the right pitch. And it's the right pitch. Okay? So constantly making it make sound, little adjustments, pushing in with these ones, using these for the fine touches. Good luck.